Is that my Boosa dog? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Speak. Good boy. What? Are you watching the beavers? The woodchucks? Oh, you can see them. Right there. Right there. What up, dog? He's hiding in his little hole. Alright, dog, let's go. Hey, hey, come get your bone. Get your bone. Why'd you throw it? Oh my gosh. Calm down. Hello, and welcome to another episode of the Evolving Blog, episode 300 and something. We're getting there, getting to the 1 year mark. It's crazy. But yep, just out here, walking the dog, doing our thing. I didn't upload yesterday. I was dealing with the dang old truck. I didn't record or anything yesterday because I was focusing on a job interview today. And I'll be talking about that. I think that'll be the video that comes up before this. But yeah, I just really wanted to focus on that job interview. So I didn't really get any time to record anything. So it's finally done though. I went and did that job interview, so now I could just detox, wait until they get back to me, or they might just ghost me and be like, yeah, we're not hiring you. but yeah, I'm happy that's done. So now I can just chill, relax, hang out with the dog, watch some videos, play on my computer. Yeah, look at how busy it is. Dang on busy street. You can hear all the trucks. Look at all the vehicles driving by. It's never this busy on our road, but just because of that construction over there, everybody has to get to that county road somehow. So, but yeah, like I said, nothing crazy today. Just detoxing from all the stress of getting ready for a job interview. So I'm going to just relax, like I said, hang out with the dog, do all that other fancy stuff. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye bye now.